So the Intermediate Maths Challenge happened this week. I'd love to know how you got on if you took it, especially if you took one of my courses to prepare. A lot of people have been asking me, well, what will the grade boundaries be this year? Will they be affected by the strikes and the fact that it happened over 2 days? So let me answer those questions in this video. So I can't say absolutely for sure where the grade boundaries will be, because the way they set the boundaries is that they say half of everyone who takes the challenge will get a certificate, and then the certificates are then in a 3:2 ratio between bronze, silver and gold. A bit of a math challenge question to work it out in itself. But what that means is that basically a quarter of everyone who takes the challenge will get a bronze, then it'll be about 1 in 6 of everyone who takes the challenge who will get a silver, and about 1 in 12 of everyone who takes the challenge will get a gold, and then some people will also qualify for the follow-on rounds. So it does depend on who takes the challenge a little bit as to where those boundaries are. Now, in past years, maybe a bronze was sort of effectively worked out at getting about 10 or 11 questions right out of the whole challenge of 25. For a silver, you might be looking at, say, something like 13, and then for a gold, maybe 16 or 17, something like that. It varies a bit from year to year. It could be affected by things like the strikes, though. For example, in 2020, in the Junior Maths Challenge, I think it was the one that was affected by COVID, and lots of people ended up not taking the challenge, and sort of there's a bit of a bias towards the fact that more people who are very enthusiastic and are perhaps better at the challenges sort of end up taking the challenges in those situations. So it'll be interesting to see if there's any effect like that this year. My impression is that most people who wanted to take the challenge just did it on the following day. I would expect it wouldn't be as impacted as those 2020 scores were, but we will just have to wait and see. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the challenge. The most important thing about it is that you do some interesting and fun maths and you learn something from it. And so I hope that you got that from it, and good luck to all of you waiting on results as well. I hope you get what you want from it.